Activity 5, Operation Transformation. The main focus of this activity is on healthy eating and fitness options. Using the RTE television series and website, students learn about healthy living and fitness. The benefits to the students: writing, shopping lists, keeping a journal, reading websites, reading health-related material, and reading recipes. A lot of these activities could also include the learning outcomes associated with computer skills and the numeracy components. We focus on reading and writing though in this video. Coursework, as we've seen from the other activities, is the normal stuff you would do in your everyday literacy class. The materials that you can use for this particular activity can include material downloaded from www.myot.ie. That's the Operation Transformation website, and some very good healthy eating and fitness material can be found on that website. So that can be used as part of your coursework. And the coursework will be carried out at the teaching and delivery stage of the course. And the work done at that stage will go into the coursework folder. For assessment then, reading and writing based on the activity of Operation Transformation. The reading part of the assessment is to go to myot.ie, read the recipes and exercise sections. Based on the recipes on Operation Transformation website, write a shopping list containing healthy food options. So you have to read the website, read the information on the website, and write a shopping list consisting of at least 6 items. For example of an assessment brief for Operation Transformation, you are asked to read the food labels guide below and answer the questions in the space provided. So it is a reading and writing task. Read the label and write the answers. The label contains some food information. Nutritional facts. To read that and write the answers, which is the writing task, here on the page. You could also ask the students as an assessment activity to access the website, pick a contestant and read their details. You could also write those details onto a page. So that would be also a reading and writing task. Again, writing tasks can include writing a shopping list, writing a list of fitness activities, write a piece for learning outcome 2 on writing that, write a piece that is at least 5 sentences long. So for that they could write a piece on healthy eating or on healthy living, on healthy lifestyle. And also to cover learning outcome 4, write out steps to better fitness. So one of the learning outcome requirements is to write out the steps. So that's Operation Transformation. That's the 5th activity that you can use. Any of these activities may be relevant to your students, or your students may be interested in doing some of them. On the website, learningoutcomes.weebly.com, all of the learning or all of the assessment briefs that we've looked at are free to download. You can download them, you can change them to suit your own classes, and as I say, your students can pick one of the activities and decide to do that, and if they do, then you have the assessment briefs to cover reading and writing, so feel free to use them. You can also, in the question page, if you have any questions about the workshop or anything on the website or in the presentation, you can contact me either through my email address or through the question form on on that page. Just to recap then, we have coursework, which is the work we normally do in our class, and we have assessment work. The coursework goes into the coursework folder, and the assessment work goes into a separate assessment folder. The assessment should cover a number, where possible, should cover a number of learning outcomes and a number of different components. What we've seen in activities 1 to 5 here is that we can combine reading and writing together, and we can combine a number of learning outcomes together into one activity. So that's it. I hope you find the presentation and the workshop and the website useful. As I say, you can contact me on the email address given or through the question form on the website. Thank you.